Good afternoon, Rupayan.
Good afternoon.
Okay. Rupayan, can you give me your self introduction?
Yes, sir, sure. Uh, Good afternoon, sir. This is Rupan
Your
Singh.
sound is little low, Rupayan.
Okay, is it okay right now? Am I
Yes, yes,
audible, sir?
yes. It is. You are audible. Okay.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Rupayan Shingho. I'm from Kolkata, West Bengal. I did my plus 10th level of education from St. Xavier's High School, Haldia. And I did my 12th from Kendra Vidyalaya IOC, Haldia. And after that I uh, gave the diploma examination, and I was qualified to secure a position in the renowned college Hooghly Institute of Technology. And this is my last semester, and I will complete within 2 months. My hobby is decorating, uh, basically doing DIY stuff, and I like to do gardening, read storybooks, and doing cooking.
Okay.
That's it. Right?
It's nice, Rupayan. Okay, Rupayan. You are a student of Anudeep Foundation, right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Okay, Rupayan. Can you please tell me why you took admission in Anudeep Foundation? What was your purpose?
Actually, in the present situation, our college, not only with me, this problem was being faced by the entire student sector people. Like all the students were facing this problem. So I thought that I was sitting all alone in the house, like I had nothing to work because college classes was not being that interesting for me. So I thought, why not utilize this time if I do this Anudhi Foundation course, and this after doing this course, I can get a job. Okay, so I can support myself. So that's why, first of all, that's the only thing that came in my mind before joining to Anudhi Foundation. But after I joined there, I literally found that not only the job purpose is important. Yes, it's important in life, but apart from job, the education that I gained from Manudi Foundation is really interesting. Like the grooming part, I enjoyed the grooming classes much more than any other classes, and so I think these are the small steps, which help us to be successful in our life. Like everybody has a good marks in the report card, but they don't know how to talk, and they don't know maybe like how to talk with people during the interview sessions. So this grooming part is really very important. So I really felt this is a striking feature that Anuti Foundation has, and I'm really happy to take admission here.
Okay, so it was your intention, first priority that you wanted a job from Anudeep
Job,
Foundation.
yes,
Yes.
yes,
So
yes.
have you got it?
Yes, I got a job. The name of the company is M Pocket.
Okay.
It's located here in Salt Lake.
Okay. So how are you feeling? It is your first job, right?
Yes, this is my first job. I'm really feeling great. I mean, it's a different kind of experience. I am going to enter in a corporate sector. I think that because I have to work with a lot of people, it's a teamwork, and I'm feeling good. I think I will do good over there. I will do my
Have you
level best
informed
over
your
there.
parents about it that you have got your first job?
Yes, sure. I have informed them, and they are very happy about the fact that in this pandemic situation, also I could uh, get a job, because it's really very difficult to have job these days, and especially in this pandemic situation.
Okay. So, okay, Rupayan. So, as you have got the job, and do you think that if other students like you who are just fresher and who are planning to work in any company. So do you think Anudeep Foundation can be a good opportunity for them?
Yeah, obviously, sir. First of all, I would like to mention something. Like, you need to have certain qualities, right?
Yes,
Be
yes,
it Anudip Foundation, be it any other, foundation. First of all, you should have certain qualities. Now, the what problem with the student is that they don't know, and sometimes they don't realize. Once you take admission over here in Anudip Foundation, which I feel from my side, it's like they will just pick up those qualities and they will highlight,
yes,
so that it becomes very easy for us to to go in this particular field. Like for me, I was like I never ever knew that I do have the qualities of joining in a corporate sector, because I am from an engineering background.
yes,
But right now, after joining here, I could see that no, like apart from engineering, I do have this quality also, and I can nurture with this part. So I would definitely suggest the students, those who are thinking that they are not fit for doing anything or something like that, they should join Anudip, because they really Anudip Foundation really uh, boost the boost the kind of energy that is in a subconscious state within us. They just give it a kick start so that we can charge up and we can work. So
yes.
I feel this.
Thank you, Rupayan, for your nice words. And thank you and many many congratulations in your coming future, your career. We wish that the job you have got, you got what to say, like you grow over the year, you reach a good position in your life, you achieve all the goals that you have dreamed of. And we are really glad that we helped you to achieve your first goal, that is the first job. We helped you. We are really grateful, and we are really grateful that you have you came join us, and you became the part of us. We will always be grateful. Thank you.
Yes, so welcome, sir. I'm overwhelmed actually. I'm overwhelmed. I'm really very much happy that I joined the foundation and I'm a part of it. So I'm really happy for that. And
Okay,
I would love to thanks the teachers, those who trained us and groomed us in Anudip Foundation. I would I would thank them a lot.
thank you, thank you, Rupayan.
Welcome, sir.